Good day, sir. We are Group 5, and our topic focuses on basketball facilities and equipment. Basketball is a sport enjoyed by many, and having the right setup is crucial for both performance and safety. In this report, we will discuss the various types of basketball court and the equipment used by the players, showing how they contribute to a better playing experience for everyone, from beginners to professionals. Rule 1. The game. So first, basketball game. Basketball is played by two teams of 5 players each. So kada team na ay mga 5 ka player. Position, point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, and the center. So the aim of each team is to score in the opponent's basket and to prevent the other team from scoring. So muna gitawag og na ang kada team mo pinsa ug mo dipinsa. Basketball is controlled by official, table officials, and a commissioner. Siyempre, dili ginamawa ng committee. So next, we have the basket-owned opponents. The basket that is attacked by a team is the opponent's basket, and the basket which is defended team is the team's own basket. So siyempre, maningkamot ang kada team nga mo pinsa para makapuntos o makadipinsa para dili makapuntos ang kalaban. So next, we have the winner of a game. The team that has scored the greater number of points in the end of playing time shall be the winner. So syempre, depende sa dula kung by half ba or by quarter. Basta mahurot na ang time sa last quarter and last half, kung kinsay pinakadako puntos, syempre automatic mo ilaw. So next reporter, Mr. John Michael Town.
Rule 2. Court and equipment. The playing court must have a flat, hard surface that is free from any obstructions. The standard dimension for the court are length is 28 meters, width is 15 meters from the inside edge of the boundary line. For competition organized by national federations, existing court with minimum dimensions of 26 meters in length and 14 meters in width may be approved for use. All lines of the court must have drawn in a uniform color, preferable by white. The width of each lines should be 5 centimeter to ensure clear visible. So kinahanglan yun nga ang kabag-on sa line is 5 centimeter. This specification ensure consistency, fairness, and safety in gameplay. Compliance with these guidelines is essential for maintaining standard playing conditions in all competitions.
The boundary lines in basketball are the lines that separate the playing area from out of bounds. These lines are painted into the floor surrounding the court. So there are two main types of boundary lines. Number 1 is sideline. These lines run the length of the court, making the sides they are usually located 50 feet apart, determining the width of the court. Number 2 is baseline or in lines. These lines run from sideline to sideline behind the backboard at each end of the court. They are located 4 feet behind the basket, are the typical 50 feet long. And the importance of boundary lines. Boundary lines are initial to determining when a player is out of bounds and for various rules in bounds and out bounds the play. Out of bounds. A player is considered out of bounds with a step on cross part of the boundary lines. Number 2 is in bounds. A player must be in bounds to touch the ball during the play.
Good day, sir. My name is Arwin Aguilar, reporting the center line, central circle, and the semicircle. So first is center line. center line shall be marked parallel to the end line from the midpoints of the sideline. So, ang sukod anang center line is 15 meter beyond each sideline. So, importante po ng center line kay mao po na siya ay boundary sa duha ka ring kay og ang player nga gadalag bola nga motabok na diha sa center line dili na siya pwede motabok ug balik kay matawagan na siya og backcourt violation. So mao na siya ay center line. So next is center circle. The center circle shall be marked in the center of the playing court and have a radius of 1.80 meters measured to the outer edge of the circumference. So gitawag ko na siya og jump ball circle kay anak man mag jump ball before magsugod ang duwa. So ano to? So next is semicircles. Semicircle shall be marked on the playing court with a radius of 1.80 meter measured to the outer edge of the circumference and with the center of the midpoint of the free throw line. So mao ra to. So next reporter.
Free throw lines and restricted area. A free throw lines shall be drawn parallel to its other inline. It shall have its further edge 5.80 meter from the inner edge of the inline and shall be 3.6 meter long. Its midpoint shall be lie on the imaginary line joining the midpoints of two inline. The restricted area shall be the floor areas marked on the playing court, limited by the end lines, the free throw lines, and the lines which originated end lines. Their outer edge being 3 meters from the midpoints of the end lines and terminating at the outer edge of the free throw lines. These lines, excluding the end lines, are part of the restricted area. The inside of the restricted areas may be painted but must be the same color as the center circle. Good afternoon, sir. 3-point field goal area. A team 3-point field goal area shall be the inter floor area of the playing court, except for the area near the opponent basket, limited by and including two parallel lines extended from and perpendicular to the inline, with the fourth edge 6.25 meter from the point of the floor, directly perpendicular to the exact center of the opponent basket. The distance of this point from the inside edge of the midpoint of the end line is 1.535 meter. 1.575 meter. Semicircle radius of 6.25 meter measured to the outer edge of the circumference from the center which meets the parallel line.
Basketball team bench areas are designated spaces located outside the playing court where players not currently in the game, coaches, and other team personnel gather during a match. These areas are essential for team strategy, communication, and player management. And location markings. The team bench areas are marked outside the playing court by two lines. They are typically located along the sideline opposite the score table. The specific location of the size of the bench areas may vary depending on the venue, but the general layout remains consistent. And regulation and sit-in. According to FIBA rules, each time bench area must have at least 14 sets available for team personnel. including coaches, assistant coaches, substitutes, excluded players, and team followers. Any other individual must be at least 2 meters behind the team bench area. So, the team bench area serves several important purposes. Number 1, communication. Coaches use bench area to communicate when players on the courts strategize and make real-time adjustment. Number 2, substitution. The bench area facilitates player substitutions, allowing coaches to bring in fresh players or adjust the lineup based on the group situation. And number 3, player management. The bench provides a space for players to rest, regroup, and prepare for their next turn on the court. And the last is the medical attention. So in case of the injuries, the bench area provides a designated space for medical personnel to attend to players.
Good day, sir. I am Oliver Losimango, reporting for the following equipment required in basketball. So first, backstop units consisting of backboards, baskets comprising pressure release, rings, and nets. And the next, backboard support structures including padding, basketballs or the bula, game clock or the orasan sa dua, scoreboard or the ang board nga swatan sa mga points nga mag-gain sa kada team, and 24 seconds device, stopwatch or suitable device for timing timeouts, 2 separate distinctly different and loud sound signal, score sheet or ang papel nga suotan sa mga foul score sa kada player. Then player foul markers, team foul markers, and alternating position indicator. And playing floor. Playing floor means it is the rectangular surface nga where the game is played. And the playing court, it has a ring at each end and divided into halves by a center line. And adequate lighting. It is very important kay if ang playing court is kanang di kayo lamdag, dako ang possibility nga di kayo maklaro ang mga physical nga mga ipangbuhat sa kada player. That's all.